Welcome back to my channel Score and Shine, and this video is all about the September month agri current affairs of the year 2021. And the first CA is Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir launched 35 crop varieties. Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir on September 28, 2021 launched 35 crop varieties which are climate resilient and with higher nutrient content. And these new varieties have been developed by Indian Council of Agricultural Research to address climate change and malnutrition. And these 35 varieties include biofortified varieties of wheat, pearl millet, maize and chickpea etc. and disease resistant variety of rice and drought tolerant variety of chickpea, wilt and sterility mosaic resistant varieties of pigeon pea and early maturing variety of soya bean etc. And the next CA is minimum support price for Rabi 2022 to 2023. Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has approved the increase in the minimum support price for the Rabi crops for the Rabi marketing season 2022 to 2023. This increase is based on at least 1.5 times the average cost of production, which was announced in the Union Budget 2018 to 2019. And the highest increase in the minimum support price is for lentil and rapeseed and mustard, followed by gram. And the next CA is Odisha's Manda buffalo. Indian Council of Agricultural Research, National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources, which is located in Karnal, Haryana, has recognized Manda buffalo of Odisha as the 19th unique breed found in India. And this Manda buffalo are found in hill ranges of Eastern Ghats and plateau of Koraput region, Odisha. It also has an accession number as given here. And the next CA is Kisan Store, and this Kisan Store has been launched by Amazon, and this is mainly for the doorstep delivery of various agricultural producers to farmers. And in the store there are over 8,000 products available. And the next CA is Trifed signed with Big Basket Putti Agrotech. Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India signed Memorandum of Understanding with e-grocery platform Big Basket and Putti Agrotech of Jharkhand for the promotion and the sale of Vandan products. Trifed signed with Big Basket for promotion and sale of Vandan products and signed with Putti Agrotech for developing pearl cultivation. And the other important CAs are Chhattisgarh CM launches Millet Mission to become Millet Hub of India. Chhattisgarh CM signed Memorandum of Understanding with Indian Institute of Millets Research, which is in Hyderabad, for the production of millets like kodo, kutki and ragi crops, and provide affordable prices to farmers and also provide input assistance and procurement arrangements. And the next CA is Geographical Indication Tag has been given for Manipur's Shirarakong chili and Tamenglong orange, and GI tag has also been given for Nagaland cucumber, and this cucumber is rich in potassium content. And the next CA is IndusInd Bank and Escorts Limited partnered to offer finance for farmers. IndusInd Bank has signed Memorandum of Understanding with Escorts Agri Machinery Limited, which is one of the India's leading automotive engineering company, to offer financial services to farmers and to make its range of tractors and farm equipments more accessible. And the next CA is Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority signed Memorandum of Understanding with ICAR, Indian Institute of Millets Research, to increase export by increasing quality and processing. And the next CA is International Crop Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics, located in Hyderabad, signed Memorandum of Understanding with United Nations World Food Programme to improve food nutritional security and livelihoods in India against the impact of climate change. And that's all for today. Hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you're watching for the first time, and don't forget to hit the bell icon too. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.